But if you close your eyes,
hello everyone, and thank you guys for watching. What I got here is my 2005 Chrysler PT Cruiser with the check engine light, and let me get the code for you. P0441 evaporated emission system incorrect flow, and P0113 intake air temperature sensor. That one is new. I think that the plug is off because I just took it off, but we're gonna be working on this one, P0441. I don't know if you can see it. P0441. Let's go on the website and find out what that P0441 is. Alright, so it says Chrysler PT Cruiser, which displays the error P0441 have incurred an evaporated purge flow system malfunction. The evaporated system is emissions related system, blah 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 blah. Let me see. There was a place, this one, the Chrysler PT Cruiser forums. Alright, so let's go to this website, engine-codes.com, and let's type in here P0441 and see what it comes up with. So just going by car, where's the Chrysler P0441. Come on, no commercials, no ads, come on. Ah, damn it. Come on. Alright. So 0441 Chrysler Evap purge system. Evap purge solenoid vacuum supply. Evap purge hose tube obstruction. Evap purge solenoid vacuum supply Evap system leak. Faulty power control module. So the 0441 means that the control modules have detected a leak in the evaporator system, blah 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 blah. So engine light on, possible noticeable fuel odor caused by related fuel odors. So out of all this, I already replaced the fuel cap, which is one of the codes that I got in the beginning. It was a fuel cap code. The fuel cap code, I think, is P0440, I think, and P0441. So I replaced the fuel cap, and I still got the P0441 code. So I went ahead and ordered, and this is going back to last year, a purge solenoid. But seems like the mechanics that I took the car to get it replaced, they kept looking in the back. This is a product of China. Ha 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 ha. This is a doorman part, 911202. The mechanics that I took this thing to get it replaced, they kept looking in the back by the fuel tank. Back there is the NLBD valve, which that's not the code for that. The code, well, I think is the code for this. And I looked all over the car and I couldn't find it. And last night doing some YouTube search, it occurred to me that the only place I haven't looked, it was in the front over here. And I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it. I'm gonna try to stick my camera in there. It's way back there. Right behind, underneath the master cylinder, and the vacuum booster, the power booster. That's the valve down there. So I'm gonna have to try to remove it and see if I can get that coat to go away. I'll be back. Okay, so in order to get to the Evap solenoid, you have to remove the air box, which basically you take the air cover, 2 bolts, you take the screws out of the box, you remove it from here, remove the sensor, and I had to remove the fuse box. There's 2 10mm bolts, and you're just gonna have to kind of lift it a little bit out of the way, if I can do it, and then you're gonna get access to the Evap solenoid, which is back there, back underneath there. So I'll be back. Alright, so you're not gonna be able to take it all the way out, just move it a little bit so you can get enough clearance to get back there. So I moved it. Be careful with the main wiring harness. Moved it back a little bit, and now I can stick my hand down here and touch the Evap cylinder. So I'm gonna move that now. Alright, so I partially got the valve out. Just gotta undo the hose that I connected to it. It's very tricky because it was very rusted underneath there. And I had to put some WD-40 and then just get a pry bar and pry it out. So it's very rusted and stuck in there. So I'm gonna remove those hoses and connect the new one. Alright, so after a lot of effort, and the sensor is on its place down there. Sorry, it's on its place, connected. Just gotta put everything back the way it was and give it a test. Alright, so there she is, all put together. Now let's just start it up and test it out and see if we get that code back. If we do, then that means it is the NVLD valve, which is in the tank in the back, which is also easy to change. And at least I know what the problem is, because by process of elimination I already changed the gas cap. Now I change that and see if we get the code back. Thank you guys for watching. I'll keep you posted. Alright, the check engine is out, and that's because I had to take the battery pole out. So in a couple of days I'll know if the light comes back on, because it'll usually take like a short ride to find out if it's on or not, if it comes back on or not. So keep you posted. Thank you guys for watching. Alright, so I just came back for a little bit ride. Must have been like a 10-mile maybe. I'm not sure if that's enough to make the check engine light come on. In the past, it used to come in right away. It didn't come on, and I can't take it for a further test drive because I'm driving on the spare, and I need my I'm waiting for my income tax so I can get new tires put in on it. But it looks like so far so good, so I'm gonna be keeping you posted. So it will be the P4, I forgot the code, come on, P0441 Evap solenoid. Evap solenoid, located under the boost vacuum booster for the brakes. 2005 Chrysler PT Cruiser. Thank you guys for watching.